Cubing with Ezra again, and today I'm finishing up my CFOP series. Yay! And so today I'm going to be teaching PLL, or 2-look PLL, because 1-look PLL is 21 algorithms, and that's a lot for learning at first, so we're going to be doing 2-look PLL, which is 6 algorithms, I believe. So let's get started. As you may remember, you probably already know 2 algorithms from beginner's method. Wait, hold on. Actually, never mind. You'll know what these look like. They look like this one. And the other one looks like this one. But as you can tell, those are very inefficient algorithms if you do it whatever the way is, because I don't remember anymore. So today I'll be teaching you the better versions of these algorithms. And so the first one we'll be doing is U-perm. And U-perm, or at least U-perm type A, since there's 2 U-perms, looks like this. So you can recognize it by opposite headlights right here and then not opposite headlights right here. And if you do a U prime flick, 2 of them match up and 1 of them doesn't. And so the algorithm for this one goes M2, which is a nice easy move that we'll be using a lot. M2, U, M, and M slices go down, not up. So M goes like that and not like that. So U, M, U2, M prime, U, M2. And there you go, you have your cube solved. And then the next one is very similar, except you do U prime instead of U's. And it goes M2, U prime, M, U2, M prime, U, M2. And there you go, you have a solved cube. And you can do the beginner's method version of these, which I actually did for a while until I decided to learn these, but I suggest the M1s because they're the fastest version of this. If you do have a really bad M slicing cube though, you can use the beginner's method because they aren't the worst algs. And so next one we'll be learning is H-perm, and it goes like this. M2, U prime, M2, U2, M2, U prime, M2. Now, however, if you do your M2s with your left hand, you'll do U's instead of U primes. But I do M's with my right hand, so I just do U primes. But it could look like this, which works too, doing U instead of U prime. Just make sure it's U, both U's or both U primes. And then the next one you have is Z-perm, and this one's very similar to H-perm. And you go M2, U prime, M2, U prime, M prime, U2, M2, U2, M prime, U2. And as you can see, this one has 2 swaps. Those 2 swap and these 2 swap. And I forgot to tell you how to recognize H-perm. Wait, hold on. I'm messing up on H-perm right now. H-perm is you got opposite headlights on all 4 sides. And yeah. And so those are your 4 ending algorithms. And now you have 2 algorithms. And as you can see, there's headlights on the back. Well, there's a couple different ways to do this one, and the shortest one would be a perm. So what you do is you do X prime, R2, U2, R, D, R prime, U2, R, D prime, R2, R. And there you go. That would solve it. Solve this headlights on the back. Okay, let me just show you now. So you hold your headlights on your right side, okay? And you do this algorithm. The algorithm I just showed, and then you get one of these four, and it turns out to be H perm in this case, which is good. All of the ending ones are good. And then for your last one, if you don't have any headlights, like this, no headlights on the top, you can do a different algorithm called Y perm. And here, let me show you a better example of that, because Y perm, it would just solve it. Okay, as you can see, you have no headlights on top, and you do Y perm from any angle. And you go F, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R, or E, F prime. And there you go. You would get one of the final permutations. And that's pretty much it for 2-look PLL. And that's all for this video. Hope to see you on the next one. Subscribe and leave a like. And yeah, my next Cubing with Ezra video will probably be on something besides 3x3, but it could be a sub 30 or sub 20 or something. So yeah, look for that and stay tuned by subscribing. Okay, bye.